Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and it has been a minute. I have not uploaded a video in 4 hours. One, working on a project with my cuz who is currently unwell. Shout out to Beck, so sorry that you are unwell. But yeah, it has been a minute, so I'm going to jump straight into it because I have a million and one things to do today and this is taking me ages to sit down and do. So she's been in store. She's had deliveries. I am a Dior collector. I cannot help it. Their packaging, their stuff is just so freaking beautiful and I just love their products. So anyway, oh, and I'm going again on Saturday, so there's going to be more stuff. But anyway, found this in there. Always my SA gives me these. I've got quite the collection. Isn't she pretty? I love the little stars. I've got them sort of scattered all over my beauty room and my bedroom and all that. I've also got I picked up a refill of the cream that I use. I use the La Cream. They have a few different ones, texture ones and stuff like that, but that's the one that I tend to like on my skin. Yeah, I've got some samples. But this came in, which I'm really excited about. This had been on order for ages. They sold out so quickly, and I think people just love this color. But I picked up another one of these. And this is in the color Rose. Is it Rosewood? Rosewood. Beautiful, beautiful color. Oh my God, look at the CD on there. Oops, sorry. Isn't that just stunning? Like the color is just, oh my God. Isn't it beautiful? And the packaging, like, oh, look at it. They kill it with their packaging. So I've got this one and I have another one here. That I haven't really used. This is more of an orangey color, and it's more like shiny. Anyway, so I picked up another one of these. A bit stoked about that color finally came in. I love it. It's gonna look great. And then I grabbed these. These are the new. So as soon as I seen these, I was like, I have to have it. And you're going to know why. Because as soon as you say, oh, yes. Look at it. It is the new Miss Dior case. Lipstick case. It goes with, I'm going to put that lipstick. So I collect these cases. I've got quite a few. Isn't this one beautiful? Got quite a few. So you get the refill lipstick and you just pop it in there and off you go. So whatever mood you're in, you just put your lipstick in and off you go. I had to have this. Look at it. I love it. It's just so, seems so edgy. I know a lot of people didn't like this Miss Dior stuff that came out on the runway and the bags and stuff. They were a bit like, but I actually liked it. I thought it was quite edgy. So I like really pretty, like you can see I've got a lot of florals there, and then, you know, I've got a lot of tattoos and stuff, and I just kind of like the contrast. So there's that one. You know, I got them all. Then there's the black and white one. I had to get every one of them. Like, why wouldn't I? So there's the black and white one, and then there's this one. I mean, they are so pretty. And you just pop your lipstick in. So whatever handbag you're taking or whatever you're feeling, swap it out. Yeah, so I got those three. Pretty. Pop them back in the bag. Oh my God, have you guys tried this? Whoops. This is like the best energy drink because it does not give you that like down. It's got no sugar. It's green tea. It's like, oh, I don't even need this. You like my little, I don't need that. This goes like this. Clever. Rubbish bin. Oh, it's wrapped up beautifully. Look at that. Dior kill it. I'm telling you, they freaking kill it with their packaging. Look at that. This must be my receipt. Yep. Receipt and envelope. Back to this. You know what this is? Do you know what this is? Excuse me. I'll take the ribbon off. How does it pop open? Got the sticker. Are you ready? Look. Look. It is the new Miss Dior Essence. I have every single Miss Dior there is. This is the new one. I had to get it online. I'll tell you why I had to get it online. Because it came with... Oh, what's that in there? Oh, that's weird. So they put the samples in here. There's just some samples in a little pouch. Don't know why they did that. But look what I got. This is why I got it online, because I got the little sticky notes. Oh. Huh? Perfume sticky notes. Maybe they're, I don't know. But look. I love you. Come on, seriously. Look at that little freebie. I love it. So as far as I know, they don't have these in store. You have to get them online. So make sure you do that. Anyway, I've got to show you the bottle of this. My eldest daughter collects all the Miss Diors as well. So she's going to be watching this. So she's going to be like, oh my God, you can already smell it. She's going to be watching this and she's going to be like, I need that. Are you ready? Look. And it's got the houndstooth, like, oh, it's embossed. Is that the word, embossed? Oh my God. Oh my God. Stop. The black, I can't, I love it. It's a spicier smell too. Like, you know, with the Miss Dior, it's very sort of rosy and sweet and, you know, florally, where this has got a bit of spice to it. And it's like, yes, bitch. We love that. We love a bit of edge. So, yeah, that's my little not Miss Dior, my little Dior haul. And yeah, what do you think? I am going to a facial on Saturday where I'm going to probably pick up more of the new packaging. Like I said, I am a bit of a collector. I do like packaging. So I think they've got some powder. Like you can see, I've got this one. And I think they've got like a quad with eyeshadows. So I'm actually I really want to get that. So I'm going to have a look and see what's there. And I'm just going to grab what I don't have for my collection, because I just love it. I just think Dior's just got the most beautiful stuff. So yeah, anyway, that's my little Dior haul, and thanks for watching. I am going to be posting more I have a few things coming up, so I will stick to luxury on this channel, and you know, more fun and stuff with my cousin on the other channel. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, like this video, and I always tell you I'm going to keep posting, and I try, but you know, what can I say? I'm 46, I have a full house, and life happens. So anyway, love you lots. Thanks for watching. Ciao, bye.